for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.